abebembezi okugamba ebino babiri nibavuganaho ekigombe kya Lions Club mu district egi kandi nibagira ngo aba Lions Club biine kwetantara okwerondera ebyabo okubasa kushikiriza ebigendererwa by'ekigombe.
We are not created for self-service, because self-service is no service.
Aha mukoro gubire gugenderire kutema empenda okuba kubasa kutungura obwebembezi bw'ebigombe habireho kutora n'obukiiko busya n'abebembezi basya nuko kutora na Harriet niyigira okuba president w'ekigombe eki ahabwa Kamwenge Lions Club chapter.
Thank you very much. Liningira Harriet, it's my personal pleasure.
And I believe Nyinamasiko ngu okoku ba members ba club bamwe bali abakozi ba government na naba business kandi abari college abatumire Kamwenge yatunga ekitinisa Lions Club neija college
as Lions. So we live as examples to the entire communities that we serve. Let us not look at individual capacities and contributions.
Harriet nagira ngo nk'abebembezi nibaza kukora obucweka ihembe kurwanisa obutabanguko bw'omu maka okurwanirira eby'obuhangwa obwegyese n'ebyamagara.
I am grateful to the Lions Club of Ibanda Centennial for the orientation and the guidance. This has helped me to learn more.
I want to appreciate the team that I worked with. This wasn't possible for me as a person. It was possible because I had a team.
Gasha kwa Anthony Twini.